This one is Chitter. I always know because she's pecking at me. She likes to be held too. Huh. Especially this time of year, I guess. Likes to peck at me. She's the only one that does it though. And Chitter. She's a Buff Orpington. Purebred chick that I bought from the store. Ooh! Uh-oh. She went for the dog. Yep. Went for the dog. Now she's going to go for it. Nope. This is something these two have started to do. Shahin and Shiro. Now, take that barrier down between them, and Shiro, the white one, starts running. But with that in between them, he gets brave, and they like to show off to each other, fight through the fence, I guess. I haven't seen anything serious, but I've seen Shahin over here a lot. Just kind of doing this with each other.